Hello everyone, welcome to Tongal online classes. Let's have next problem. Find the approximate value of 0.009 whole thing power 1 by 3. Find the approximate value of 0.009 whole thing power 1 by 3. Look at given expression and define f of x. In this case, f of x is x power 1 divided by 3, right? Let us define a function f of x equal to x power 1 divided by 3. After that, consider this value, that is 0.009 can be written as, write that 0.009 as a perfect cube number plus or minus something value. For this number or for this decimal value, perfect cube number is 0.008 plus 0.001. Now it is like x plus delta x. So x value 0.008 and delta x equal to 0.001. Now formula, what is its derivative? F dash x equal to x raised to n formula, it will be 1 divided by 3 into x power 2 divided by 3. This is our derivative. Then approximate value of x, f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Now replace all the values. F of 0.09 is equal to f of, replace x value here, 0.008 plus 1 divided by 3x power means 0.008 whole thing power 2 divided by 3 into delta x. Delta x is 0.001. Now f of x is x power 1 by 3, then f of 0.008 is 0.008 whole thing power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into, it can be written as 0.2, otherwise write one more step, 0.008 whole thing power 3, 2 divided by 3 into 0.001. Then 0.08 can be written as 0.008 can be written as 0.2 whole cube. 0.2 whole cube whole thing power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 0.2 whole cube whole thing power 2 by 3 into 0.001. Now it will be 0.2 plus 0.001 divided by 3 get cancelled, 0.2 whole square, that is 3 into 0.04, right? Now its simplified form is, that's equal to 0.2 plus then it will be 0.1 divided by 0.001 divided by 0.04 is nothing but 3 into 4, that's equal to 0.2 plus 0.1 divided by 12, right? Just simplify 0.1 divided by 12 0.1 divided by 12 value 0.00834, 0.2 plus 0.00834 approximately. Then on adding this we get 0.20834. This is approximate value of 0.009 whole thing power 1 by 3 value. Therefore 0.009 whole thing power 1 by 3 is approximately equal to 0.20834, right? This is approximate value of 0.009 whole thing power 1 by 3. Next problem. Find the approximate value of find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where f of x equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where f of x is 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Using differentials means using application of derivative. Don't put x value 2.01. By using derivative. In this case already f of x is given. Just write its derivative. What is our f dash x here? F dash x will be 8x plus 5 only. In this case take this value. 2.01 can be written as 2 plus 0.01. Here x value 2, delta x value 0.01, right? 0.01 is delta x value and x equal to 2. Now apply formula. What is formula? Approximate value of f of x plus delta x equal to formula f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Now replace all the values. F of what is x here? 2 plus what is f dash x? 8x plus 5, put x equal to 2. Then it will be 8 into 2 plus 5 into what is delta x here? 0.01. Now what is f of 2? F of 2 means put x value 2 in given function. Then it will be 4 into 2 whole square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 plus usual simplification 16. 8 into 2 that is 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 into 0.01. Now it will be 2 square 4, 4 into 4 16 plus 10 plus 2 plus 21 into 0.01 it will be 0.21. Then 26 it is 28, right? 26 plus 2, 28 plus 0.21 that's equal to 28.21. This is approximate value of f of 2.01, right? This is our required answer. It is not exact but approximately it will be 28.21. Next question, find the approximate value of f of 5.001 where f of x is x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Next question, find the approximate value of f of, find the approximate value of f of 5.001 where f of x is, where f of x equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Find the approximate value of f of 5.001 and f of x is given, right? Already f of x is given, just write its f dash x. F dash x equal to 3x square minus 14x, right? Now take this value 5.001 can be written as 5 plus integral part decimal part, and it is like x plus delta x, so x equal to 5 and delta x equal to decimal part, that is 001. Now we have formula, approximate value of f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x, right? Use this formula. Now replace x value delta x value, then it will be f of 5.001, x value 5, delta x value 0.001, on adding we get f of 5.001, f of 5, x value 5 plus what is our f dash x? F dash x 3x square minus 14x, so 3 into 5 whole square minus 14 into 5 into delta x, that is 0.001. Then what is f of 5? Put x equal to 5 in given function, that is 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15 plus 25 into 3, that is 75 minus 70 into 0.001, that's equal to 5 cube, that is 125, 5 into 5 into 5 minus 175, 25 sevens are 175 plus 75 means it is 5 only, it is 5 into 0.001, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 is 125, 25 into 7 175 means it is minus 50 only, right? It is 125 175, 100 get cancel means minus 50 plus 5 into this value means it is 0.005, right? Now simplify, minus 50 plus 0.005, it will be minus 49.995. This is approximate value, right? This is approximate value of f of 5.001, right? Next question, Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 1%. In exercise 6.4, fourth question. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 1%. We need to find change in volume V, right? We need to find change in volume. They have given change in its edge length, right? A cube whose edge length is changed. Then what is change in its volume V? Edge length changes from x to 1% of x. Side length increased by 1%. Side length increased. Initially it is x. After some times it is 1% of x. This is change in x. Change in x means delta x only. What is here delta x here? Change in x means delta x. Then change in x is 1% of x. 1% of side length changes, then what is change in its volume? Right? Change initially x, after some times it is 1% of x. Means 1% of means 1 divided by 100 into x. 1% of x means x divided by 100. 2% of x means 2x divided by 100. Change in x is delta x, that is x divided by 100. This is change in x, but our requirement change in volume. What is change in volume of the cube? When change in edge length is x divided by 100. P is equal to x cube. It is volume of the cube. Differentiate with respect to x. dv divided by dx equal to 3x square. This is dv by dx. Then we have one more formula. What is delta y formula? Change in y is equal to, whenever change in x is given, delta y is equal to formula f dash x into delta x. It is one of the formula. Otherwise dy by dx into delta x. Change in y is equal to derivative of the function into change in x. And one more formula, approximate value f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Right? In this case, use this formula. We need change in v, not change in y. Notation dv equal to or delta v equal to. We need change in volume, so notation delta v is equal to dv by dx into delta x. What is dv by dx in this case? That is 3x square into what is delta x here? Delta x is change in x, that is 3x divided by 100. That's equal to 3 divided by 100 into x cube. Initially volume is x cube. After some times it will be 0.03 times x cube. What is unit for volume? X meters is given, means cubic meter. Volume unit cubic meter. Initially edge length is x. It changes to 1% of x. Edge length changes from x to 1% of x, then what is change in volume? Initially volume of the cube is x cube. After some times volume of the volume of the cube reaches to 0.03 into x cube. Once edge length is increased, corresponding volume also increased. This is one of the important question, right? Next question. Next question. Find the approximate change in the surface area of the cube of side x meters caused by if the radius of the sphere is measured as 7 meters with an error 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. In exercise 6.4, sixth question. If the radius of the sphere is measured as 7 meters with an error 0.02 meters, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Sphere of radius, assume that it is r. Error in r is given. Error in radius of the sphere is given, that is 0.02 meters, and r is also given, that is 7 meters. While measuring 7 meter radius, there is an error of 0.02 meters. Then what is approximate error in calculating its volume? You have formula P is equal to 4 pi by 3 times r cube. It is volume of the sphere formula. Differentiate with respect to r, right? Then it will be dV divided by dr is equal to 4 pi r square. Now our requirement is to find approximate error in calculating its volume. dV equal to r delta V is equal to formula delta V is equal to dV divided by dr into delta r. That's equal to dV divided by dr 4 pi r square into delta r value 0.02. That's equal to 4 pi into radius is also given, that is 7 meters, 7 whole square into 0.02. That's equal to 0.08, 4 into 2, 0.02, that is 0.08 pi into 49, right? 0.08 pi into 49. It will be, what is its value? 3.92 pi. What is unit? Square meters, because surface area measured in, volume means cubic units only. If it is surface area, then it is square units. Volume means cubic units. This is error in calculating its volume. When there is an error of 0.02 meter in calculating its radius. Next question. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube. Next question. find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing side by 2%. One cube is there, its edge is increased 2%. It is x, edge length is increased 2%. Then what is increasing? Increased in volume means change in volume. X value changes from x to 2% of x. 2% of x means change in x. Initially edge length is x, after time sometimes it will be 2% of x. 2% of x means 2x divided by 100. It is change in x. Change in x means change in edge length. Then what is change in its volume? Volume of the cube formula x cube differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dv divided by dx equal to 3x square. Our requirement is to find increase in its volume or change in volume. Increase or change in volume dv or delta v equal to formula. Change in volume delta v is equal to dv divided by dx into delta x. Then what is dv by dx here? dv by dx is 3x square into what is delta x? 2x divided by 100. Usual multiplication, it will be 6 divided by 100 into x cube. After that it will be 0.06 x cube unit cubic meters. This much of volume is increased. Initially volume is x cube, after some times its volume becomes 0.06 times initial volume. Once 2% of edge length is increased, then 0.06 into x cube or 6% of its volume is increased, right? With this problem I will conclude this error sign approximations and I will stop today's class. Thank you.